morning, good morning. Sit up. How are you? Always being well. See, good girls, not sleeping. Boys, bad boys, always sleeping, snoring. I plan to write a book too. How to manage a boring class without snoring. See, still snoring. Hey, you Shah Khan, Salman Khan, stand in your seat. Hey, you. Teacher enter, no notice, full insulting. Your mother, father managed this. What do you think? This is Marimalappa's Jalri Hall, not Marimalappa's sleeping hall. Hey, you, come here. Yes, come here. Sir, why sleeping?
Sir, yesterday night, my roommate was talking to girlfriend. Full praying. I was
Lies. Yesterday night I saw you with my wife on theatre.
sir, me with your wife.
No. Me, my wife somewhere, you somewhere.
Oh,
Sit up. Hey, yo, young fella, come here.
Sir?
You sit.
sir,
Why sleeping?
sir, ಏನಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ
Fully stop. What do you think? This is Burfi English Coaching Center, not a local language. Repeating this.
Morning eating, liver aching, no life, no man, full of life waste, sir.
What do you think? Sorry, baby. Together thinking English is speaking easy? No, never, not. English speaking is not a child's play. English speaking is an undertaker play. Taj Mahal creating. Hey, again time careful. Again time this behavior. My fingerprint touch to your cheek. Your cheek, big cheek. Your cheek, red cheek. Understand? Hey, why late?
Sorry, just 10 minutes, sir.
No. Your time, false time. My time, true time.
No, sir, my Gante is also correct, sir.
Okay, why late?
Sir, vehicle बताई दे.
Full stop. Repeat English.
What in English?
Yeah.
Action. Button. 2 rupees, sir.
2 rupees.
Yes, sir, 2 rupees.
What the bloody English? Shame, pompish English language.
Yes, sir, 2 rupees. One for me, one for you. Baba, black sheep.
Honey.
Hello. I talk, he talk. Why you middle talk?
Yeah, coming in the what? अभिमानी करो, शांति रीति का अद्भुत करो.
Sit down.
Yes, sir.
Before starting today's class, I ask question. Anybody tell me what we did in the previous class? Yes, stand up. Come here.
Go, man.
What we did in the previous class?
What you did, sir?
What we did in the previous class?
Sir, what we did in the previous class? We had a recap, sir.
What we did in the previous class?
Sir, what we did in the previous class? Previous class, we had a recap, sir.
What we did in the previous class?
Sir, I got it.
Okay.
Sir, you said running late. Jogging late.
Hello. If I give you 5 rupees to act only for 5 rupees, not for 500 rupees.
Okay, sir.
I understand. I take grammar last class. Anybody tell me what are the uses of conjunction? Tell me. Hey, come here. What are the uses of conjunction?
Sir, questions.
What are the use of conjunction?
Conjunction is the injunction in the hospital of the nation.
You cultural country fellow. I'm thinking of the English student. I ask our good girls. You Gunta Banerjee, tell me what are the uses of conjunction?
Conjunction has many uses, sir. When
Ah.
part comes to a junction, it becomes conjunction. And when junction is becomes conjunction.
See, good girls. I ask another question. What is particle? What is past participle?
Past participants, sir.
Yes. Excuse me, castable.
No, sir. Just to correct, sir, but I don't know answers.
Okay, I ask one more question.
Sir.
What is parts of speech?
Parts of cheeks, sir.
Always thinking about eating. Parts of speech. Again, castable.
No, sir. Brain trouble. I know all questions, sir, but I don't know answers.
Okay, no problem. I ask one more question. What is Bombam Bolenath?
Mama, what else, sir? Put in the bag in the bottle, sir.
I myself don't know what I asked, and you are answering that question. Sit up. Yes, you come here. Yes, come here. What is grammar?
Sir, it is a collection of.
Collection of what?
Sir, it is.
Why not that is?
It is a stable set of words.
Why not unstable set of words?
Ability to impress.
Why not disability to impress? Why not? What not? Which not? Now you understand how difficult English learning is.
Stop it. Repeat the question.
You forgot question? No problem. What is grammar?
Sir, question pass.
You fail. You come here. What is past participle?
What to say, how to say, all to say is part participle.
See, you tell you know the answer or not. Don't make dosas in the air.
Past participle is a participation in the past, sir.
Oh.
For example, Gandhi Nehru participated in past freedom struggles, sir.
Oh.
Okay, sir?
Very completely irrelevant wrong answer. Hey, come here. I ask one more question. What is parts of speech?
Parts of base, sir. It consists of nose, mouth, ear, all.
Hello. Completely wrong answer. I ask girls. You Vairalika, tell me what is parts of speech?
Part of speech consists of speech. It consists of speech and speech consists of parts. It plays a crucial role in the speech. Hence, it is not part of speech.
See, girl students always good. You speak English like mathematics. Girl students very good, but boys, I think there is no use of playing violin at the back of the buffalo. Okay, now let me begin today's class.
Not home.
No speaking at the front of my back.
Sir, please translate this in English.
Tell.
ನಾನು ಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಂಡತಿ ಜೊತೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ. ರಿಲೇಟರ್ ಬರೀ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡಿ ಸರ್.
Very simple. Open notebook. Write pencil. Hey, English coaching center, not local language. Open notebook, write pencil. I had gone to village, comma, to sell my house along with my wife. I ordered 3 days leave. Yours favorite.
Sir, my favorite English.
Your favorite, your name, the end, full stop. Good girls, any translations? Tell.
ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಎತ್ತಿ ಡಸ್ಟ್ಬಿನ್ಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ.
Very simple. Pick the paper and fall into the dustbin.
ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೇತಾಕಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ನೇತಾಕ್ತೀನಿ.
Very simple. Hang the clothes outside for drying, or I will hang myself. Ask the sleepy fella, dirty fella.
ABCD, sir.
Hey, first come out of the sleep and then ask question.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್. ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಕರೆ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಚಂದಾದಾರರು ವ್ಯಾಪ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ವರ್ಗೀಕರಣ ಕಮ್ಮಿಂದ ತೆಲುಗಿನ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಸರ್.
I think you are talking about a girlfriend. What? Even simple. The subscriber you call in is not available. He just passed away.
ಪಾಂಚರ ಸರ್.
Yes, passed away.
Sir, ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಸರ್
ಓಕೆ ಟೆಲ್.
ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ದಿನ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ
Okay.
ಕೆಲಸ ಬರೀ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಸರ್.
Very simple. I go office daily. My work is just shitting. Hello. Hey, why looking outside?
Monkey sir, monkey sir.
Monkey. Why looking outside for the monkey when I am standing here? I start today's class. A for B for ball. C for Who faster? Wow, where good girls?
Faster,
They are faster.
yes, sir.
No problem.
Sir, wait, sir. I will call girl, sir.
Hello, no using coin box in my class.
Fine, boss, sir.
Out of my class. 3 days absent.
I will also go.
Out of my class. Why are you sitting silently? Out of my class. I will continue class. Yeah. Black student. Yeah. D. C. Who are you?
Student, sir.
ID card where?
See, ID card also present.
Okay. Why late?
Problem, sir.
Oh, you also problem?
Yes, sir. Train problem, sir.
Oh, what problem?
Train, tires,
Oh.
full puncture.
Oh, so you later?
Yes, sir.
Do one thing, call your parents, especially your mother and your father must come. Your parents 3 days absent,
Sir, Saturday,
4 days absent,
sir,
5 days absent,
sir.
out of my class. Going out, hey, come here. 5 days absent, 6 days absent, 7 days absent, pakka.
Hey, college, sir, tuition ಬರಕ್ಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Don't matter.
Thank you very much.